Well, our long quiet stretch coming to an end now as we find severe weather sort of circling the area. We've got pockets of it here in the eastern half of the United States, some in the Carolinas and Virginia. We've got tornado watches covering Wisconsin now into Illinois, and we've had a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for northern Arkansas into southeast Missouri. Now, the northwest edge of this, we go ahead and trim out. The risk of severe weather this evening has ended in those areas, but there will still be a possibility of a few showers. And it looks like later tonight, maybe after midnight, we could find some more rumbles of thunder trying to get into areas like Jasper and Mountain Home. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast for the overnight hours. Again, this is through late this evening as we've still got a risk for maybe some showers, kind of drifting from southwest to northeast across north central Arkansas into southeast Missouri. Additional storms could develop after midnight, probably near and south of Marshall and Melbourne. That activity too will continue to track off toward the northeast. And notice how for the bulk of the area it stays quiet. We find clear skies and a comfortably cool night with temperatures dipping into the 50s. But as we're approaching sunrise, the front that went through today is going to be lifting back toward the north as a warm front. And it looks like hot on its heels will be a lot of humidity. And that humidity will drive instability levels way up. And we're going to have high levels of instability early in the day. And it looks like with the next cold front coming in and interacting with this warm front moving north, I think we're probably looking at a start point early in the day for thunderstorms over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. And then that activity will probably want to move east along this gradient of instability that we're going to have in place across the area. This looks like a pretty favorable setup for severe weather for the morning hours across the area. And the Storm Prediction Center does have a moderate risk, a 4 out of 5 risk for our eastern counties, dropping off to a marginal risk over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. But I do think that we could have severe weather as far west as places like Anderson, and certainly here in the Springfield area south down toward Branson. There will be a risk of severe weather during the morning. So this is what it looks like. And I think that this round of model guidance is looks pretty close to how this is going to play out. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. You can see this cluster of strong to severe storms breaking out over southwest Missouri, probably down into northwest Arkansas. This activity will continue to race east. That's 11 o'clock in the morning. From there, it continues to push east across our eastern counties at noon, and then it moves out. And we'll have this front still trailing that strong to severe thunderstorm activity. And along the front, we could find some additional development, but it may be rather spotty. So the main event may actually be morning through early afternoon, and then things are a little bit quieter as we wrap up the day. The severe weather risk should come to an end by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, storm hazards with this wave of storms, I think the biggest risks will be for large hail, possibly up to baseball or softball size. There's going to be a lot of instability in play. Also, damaging winds, possibly as high as 70 to 80 miles per hour. That's especially if we see a line of thunderstorms surging east along that warm front or instability gradient. And with this setup, can't rule out the possibility of a few tornadoes. That is Friday. Saturday looks like a quiet day. We get a breather. Chance for showers and storms returns Saturday night. I think the severe weather risk looks relatively low with that round, but I think starting up late Sunday afternoon through Tuesday, we're going to have additional waves of thunderstorms, and I think we will see severe weather with each one of those waves, including the risk of possible tornadoes.
It's that time of year.
It is, and it's going to be a very active period of weather through Tuesday, and then things should quiet down again for the rest of next week.
Okay, here's our question of the day today, asking what's your idea